Today, my mom and I are making Nsala.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think you'll have to listen. Because
it's a meal that you eat and you go and lie down for siesta.
I have seen the Lord's goodness, His mercies and compassion.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Happy New Year! Yay! We made it. So today is the 1st of January and I have someone on my channel not for the very first time anyways, but like I've not featured her on my channel properly. So today guys, I want you to welcome my mom to my channel.
Hello viewers, how are you doing? Happy New Year.
Okay, so guys, today we want to make Nsala. I don't know if you guys can see me. Okay guys, so today we want to make Nsala, the authentic original Anambra Nsala. Some people call it white soup, but then there's been an argument that Nsala and white soup are not the same. I think the ingredients vary, but however today my mom and I are making Nsala and we are making two different pots of Nsala. One is with catfish and one is with beef, towel, kidney, orishi. Do you get? And then we're also making it it's not in two different ways, but like we are using like two different ingredients because I have my own way of making Nsala, which is different from the one my mom taught me. So my mom will be making hers and I'll be making mine for you guys to watch, and at the end of the day tell us who do you think has taste better. But anyways, I can't even compete with my mom because she's a coach. She's what we call a coach. But without much further ado, let me not waste your time. So guys, let's dive right into it.
I can shout, yo dele pariwo, moti yo, na 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 na. When I show oh for your party oh, they must show jo. Elle boche se, no de booga se, Elle boche se, no de booga se. Once a pecky malo sonle, we pecky other rose. Money more like champagne, me on my peo. Mozare for me, shaggy. Mama me follow, Mr. Money, your share. Me on my peo. Once a pecky malo sonle, we pecky other rose. Money more like champagne, me on my peo. Mozare for me, shaggy. Mama me follow, Mr. Money, your share.
You didn't see my blended thumbnail. Very smooth. See, this is life ladies. How smooth it is. That's what we call it today. But you can scatter it. Okay.
When turning it, we turn gently. And cover.
do you want to know?
10 minutes.
Okay. So what are you putting now?
Otazi.
Otazi is the bitter one, right?
Yes, otazi leaves.
I don't like it as leaves. Maybe I'll put scissor leaves in my own.
No. If you put it is it will be spicy. Plus the fact that I've already added pepper.
Scissor leaves are spicy. Or scissor leaf. How come I've never noticed and I use it a lot?
It's spicy.
Yeah, but it's not much now. You just have to put this one now. Yeah, but mom, this is your soup. It's looking so sumptuous. Because I want to taste it. I don't like it as a shit. I don't know that bitter
Okay,
taste.
I just added small. It won't be that. The bitterness
No sure.
won't come out.
Okay. Putu ofe Nsala. This is the authentic ofe Nsala. It's okay. This is the authentic ofe Nsala. You don't do too much. But my own now.
You turn gently
So that the fish will not scatter. Okay. Please, I want to taste. Denyem.
Is it very bitter?
No, it's not though. It's not. It's nice. Yes. And we are done. Okay. Yeah. So guys, my mom is done with her own pot of ofe Nsala. I wanted us to make it together initially, but I just said let her do her own first, and I'll do my own. I'm also boiling yam. The yam I blended before for the thickener was not enough, so I'm boiling more yam to blend for mine. Okay, thank you, Mom. After we'll compare the taste.
There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Topsy-turvy, wake up early, could be anywhere. Madly, truly, could have fooled me. Ooh, Cupid, shoot me there. And when the world is burning all around me, I'm the one who's dancing in the flames. Shadows on the sand and ice cream melting in my hand. Look at all the good things, yeah. Just look at all the good things. Smiling till my face is aching. Loving till my heart is breaking. Look at all the good things we have.
So what do you think about the food? And judge the two soups.
As a matter of fact, it's been long.
Take it closer.
As a matter of fact, it's been long I ate this kind of meal last.
Wow.
It was a beautiful one. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed every bit of it. I enjoyed the fish white soup more.
Okay.
The spice there made it more tasty than the beef one. And of course, you know, at this age, I do not eat much of beef. Even though it was tasty, but the fish one was tastier.
Awesome.
I wish I could have it every afternoon for lunch. But it's a meal that you eat and you go and lie down for siesta.
Honestly.
It was quite heavy. Even right now, I'm feeling very sleepy. Even though it's evening, but it was nice. I wish you could do it again before I go back to Anambra.
Okay.
And you've given your mommy a tall order. It must be incorporated in my meal.
Mom, you heard it.
So I love that. Especially the pounded yam. Even though we have pounder now that you don't need to pound. It's same, very same.
Is it the same?
Very good, the same. If it's well prepared, it's the same. So thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
What a way to start the new year with this sumptuous meal. My parents enjoyed it. Nnabuenyi, that's my dad, he enjoyed it so much. And you guys have heard from the horse's mouth. He said that he preferred the catfish ofe nsala. He didn't even know who made which. As at when he said that, it was after he made his verdict that we told him who made which. So he said that he preferred the catfish ofe nsala, but that the other one was equally tasty. So guys, if you watched up to this point, thank you so much for watching this video. Guys, please, this is new year, please help my channel, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and please give this video a massive thumbs up, share this video. Okay, this year we have to be monetized. Thank you so much for watching once more. Till I see you next time. Bye.